Hey guys, it's me Isabella back with another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make slime. So yeah, let's get started. And the ingredients you'll be needing. So ingredients you'll be needing to make slime is a bowl, some optional food coloring, baking soda, contact solution, and glue. That's my activator. This is my activator. So,
You guys know what size shoe I wear?
So the first thing you guys want to be doing is grabbing your bowl and pouring, my sister, opening up your blue bottle. This is brand new. And putting in some glue. How much glue you put in there, that's how much slime you're going to have. Because like when people start making slime, they're always like, if they mess up, then they say, maybe we'll add more glue. That doesn't help. So yeah. Okay, also you'll be needing a mixing tool. I got my mixing tool. It's just very small. It's not slime yet. So I'm going to be making probably just teal slime. So I'm going to grab green and blue. So I'm just going to put a drop of blue. This is optional. You could keep it white if you want. And then putting in some green. And then I'm just going to stir this all up. This is very thick. Very thick.
You said thick.
It's thick. You know that I'm actually making a video. So I'm gonna keep this. Make this. That's where I zoomed in. So this is the color of the slime. It's actually a different color off camera. That's the color, people. So yeah, so next thing we're gonna be adding in is your baking soda. You just wanna put in a small pinch. Because if you put too much, it's actually gonna get really hard. So I'm gonna grab a pinch. Oh gosh. So you're gonna grab a pinch. No, just put some in. And then you just want to stir that all up. So yeah, so you guys when I'm done stirring up. So yeah, guys, I'm done stirring that. So I'm done stirring. I'm gonna add a little bit more baking soda, just a small pinch, to touch it up with so we're gonna put less. Then I'm gonna grab my contact solution and just grab the spoon and put like 1 spoonful. And then you just want to stir it. I haven't been posting lately because I was very busy. So, people, it's clumping up. Really good. I'll put you guys in a better angle. Wait a sec, people. That's good. So it's clumping up, as you guys could tell, and I'm gonna add a little more contact solution. This is what's happening from my distance right now. So as you can tell, it's clumping up. Sort of good. It's not slimy yet though, but it's surely clumping up. I'm gonna add in a little more baking soda. And don't get it mixed up with baking powder, it's baking soda. So just add in a little bit more. Just a tiny bit more, people. And nothing just came out. So nothing's coming out. So what I'm gonna use, since nothing, see his grandma's at the window. So I got a little pinch, and I'm gonna put some in. and just continue stirring until it forms into slime. Okay, man. So yeah, I'm gonna pause you guys. So yeah. Sorry guys, I had to pause you maker and walked in and that's the order. So next I'm gonna add a little more contact solution. As you can tell, it's forming in the slime. And it's sticking to the bowl, the angle, like right where I just fell. So, yeah. I think it's getting ready to play with. So yeah, I'm gonna start playing with it. Maybe if it does a little bit more high up. So yeah, I'm gonna pause you guys. So I fixed you guys, so you guys could actually see the better angle. And I'm just gonna knead it. If you guys don't know what kneading is, it's just when you mix it up with your hands. It's nice and stretchy. Nice and stretchy. Sorry for the background noises. My mom, my sister talking, so. And I forgot to tell her that I'm making a video, so. I told my sister, oh yeah, I did tell her. So, the slime's very nice. Very stretchy. Probably really good slimes. It was very good pokes. I just turned the light off because it seemed like weird. It's nice and stretchy people. Nice and stretchy people from the fatherland. Very noisy. So nice and stretchy. Crunchy. So yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.